So don't have your cousin design anything for you and your business. I mean, don't put that, that's too risky. Get professionals to design your business marketing. Don't underestimate the power of a beautifully designed piece of marketing. So check out the marketing designs for home inspectors created by InterNACHI's member marketing team. Click that link. And again, all the design work is free for members. All you have to do is place an order for some printed marketing, like business cards. Just get a box of business cards and go through the process of the consulting process, the brand design, working with an illustrator on your logo, and then getting the design work done for your business card, and then receiving that really nice, professionally looking designed business card. So if you take a look at the link there, that's the InterNACHI member marketing services. And again, click the portfolio, the logos, and the products, and there's plenty to choose from to get customized, free designed logos for your marketing by the InterNACHI member marketing team. Get something professionally designed.